Ya, Senati. Curso Technical English. Instructor Alicia del Pilar de los Ríos Fachin. Student Guamán Peñalosa Leonardo Steve. ID 0011 73341. Major Automobile Mechanic. Common electrical problem is automobiles. Practical guide to identify, diagnose, and resolve the most frequent failures of the vehicle electric system. The importance of the electricity system in your car. The electricity system is the heart of your vehicle. It controls everything from the start motor to the least safety system and digital components. An electrical failure can leave your car completely immobilized or compromise your safety of the road. Battery provide instant power to the start. Alternator, recharge battery and power system. Fuses, protect circuit for overalls. Wiring, distribute power trans the vehicle. That battery demonster common problem. Clean symptom. Carbon start off, start slowing, dashboard list and hiding speeding, repeat clean zone where turning decay, accessory don't respond radio, power win. Disculpe, clear symptoms, carbon start off external warning, dashboard list and hiding upper dim, repeat clean zone where tuning decay, accessory radio power wins. My cause leans left or hard, definity alternatives rich, and the battery monster 3 5 year old. Corner of love connected and terminal. 1 to 2. Check connection inspects battery terminal for corrosion where are multiple and loose connections. Click and tie. Use with brush to clean corrosion and circulate filter the cables to the positive and negative terminals. Recharge of replace. Charge is battery and battery charger is the problem replace it with a new one of equivalent specific. Verify alternative. Mouse voltage which the energy numbing is shown divided 13.8 volt and 14.4 volts in lower the alternative in detectivity. Brow foods and winning problems. Blow foods. Foods brought a special circuit when and blows the control system stop working lines. Radio whisper exit. Replace the fuse with on of the same ampere intermediate. Soluting blood it low and G. There is a circuit that requires professional diagnostic. Wiring problem. Damage or fire will cause by rubbing, corruption of or attach latch to voltage loss and intermittent system failure. Loser or correspond connecting. Poor connecting cause voltage drops, visuality impact and mouse voltage winch are multiple. Falling grounds. The habits of ground contact cause electricity Britain ground sponge, Arikin, and securely fastened. Defective alternative or an other electric failure. Damage alternators. Withdraw and functional alternator. The battery gradually decays during drift. Symptoms include clay, leak difficulty, station, and the battery indicator leak constant illumination on the dashboard. Diagnostic measure voltage which the energy roaming voltage en 13.5 indica el alternative failure. Or other electrical issues. DTC code. Lithium immobility of sensor activity error code. Failing leaves. Butter boost, detect rallies or open circuit. Digital system. Black screen, GPE, not work, memory loss in memory. Recommended solution. OBD 11 diagnostic. Connect scanner to the OBD port read specific error codes. Repair or replacement. Blast on the diagnostic rear or replace the detective company. Verifications. Click code and perform and rate this log. Confirm the solution. What were an electric problem areas? Identify symptoms. Observe what symptoms when it or and if is constant on intermittent. Visual impacting. Checking battery, fusive connecting, and ward of oven damage. Basic mouse curve. Use a multimeter to measure voltage continue and voltage drop critical points. Professional diagnostic. In the problem, please consult the manual of an specific workshop. Preventive maker. Regularity check battery condition and cable terminal every 6 months. Alternator operating 13.7 a 144 volt impact fuse and visibility wearing the for damage. Preventive maintenance prevents exclusive breaks, reduces repair costs, and ensures your satisfaction and after run. Conclusion. Inspect and clean battery connection, replace broken fuzzy windows of the correct amperage, check winds for damage, and take the vehicle to a professional in the problem perceive or involucre more complex components such as the alternator or stage motors. Gracias, Miss.